If you left your place of work, how easy would it be for you to be replaced? If you left that friend circle, how easy would it be for you to be replaced? Now, if it's easy for you to be replaced or for people to get over you and forget you easily, this video is a sign from the universe for you that you should add value to yourself. You have good value as where you are right now, but this video is just a reminder that you need to add on so that you're just hard to ignore. They either have you or have you. Welcome to Voice of KMB, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how we can add value to ourselves in this currently changing world, the AI troubles, the what and everything. And how do you even know at what value you add? How do you know that you're good enough of value or you're worthless of value? Let's dive in. We live in a world where everything is average. Average thinking, average effort, average skills, and average output. Average is cheap. It's everywhere. What then becomes of value? What is rare? When you become the commodity, the rare thing that is hard to replace, yes, you add value to yourself. When you become useful to people, problems, and organizations and businesses, when you solve a problem, you become of value. Your value goes higher. Build skills that replace results. Can you build something? Can you create something? And what you're building, can it in the next 5 years still have value? If it does, well then invest in it. And if for some reason you're wondering, why would you even bother to increase your value? Let's look at the diamond. A diamond is not expensive just because it's under the ground, blah blah blah, minerals and stuff. A diamond is important because of its value. Most diamonds are about 1 billion to 3.3 billion years. That means they existed way before the dinosaurs, right? Diamonds form 100 miles below the Earth's surface, and to find just a single carat, miners have to mine 250 tons of ore to find a single carat of diamond. Not to forget, diamonds are one of the hardest minerals that have ever been discovered. And not to forget, it scores about 10 on the Mohs scale. Now, that's not what makes the diamond most important, but its function. Diamonds are used in the most intricate, hard processes. Okay, many of us know them for designing and everything and the beauty they have. But let's look at the functions of the diamonds. It does way more than diamonds are used to cut glass. Diamonds, they're just this kind of thing. Even if duplicated, they are so unique that you can differentiate between a piece of glass that has been duplicated and an actual diamond. And that's what I'm saying. We should just be diamonds. Hard to find, hard to live. And the world is changing very fast. You can't just have one skill, or if you have it, combine it with something. I think with every skill that there is today, you have to combine it with technology. Are you good at speaking? Make a podcast. Are you good at dancing? Record the videos. Are you good at data analysis and everything? Build programs. There is at least something that you can do that can relate with technology in this fast changing world that has AI scaring people to take their jobs and everything. But I believe we are more competent than that. You can become everything you want to be, and you can increase your value, not overnight, but gradually. And before you think of determining your value, think about it. What is it that you have that differentiates you from others? Talent without consistency can let you down. So you question yourself and sit down and think to yourself, am I of good value? And if I am of good value, how do I maintain my good value? Because imagine being of good value for just one day and then 2 weeks later your value is lost. That is not real value. Let's build value, become better versions of ourselves, and I believe you and I can conquer this world. Stay blessed.